My South Diva.
Shwarya Krishna. Um, I'm truly enthralled to be a part of this magical evening, the ninth edition of My South Diva Calendar 2025. So, every girl desires to be captured in the most beautiful manner. And I'm so happy today because Manoj sir has truly captured all of us in our most beautiful self. So, thank you, Manoj sir. And the most special thing about today is our beloved Bhayaji, who has come all the way from Vrindavan for to be a part of this beautiful evening. And thank you to all the guests and the media team for coming here, gracing us with your presence here today. We are truly thankful and grateful. And I'm truly just very happy and very excited because I really love my picture here.
Yes, here you're looking in a complete traditional way.
Yes.
So, what you like most in a traditional or in a Western wear? What you like more?
Traditional. What do you think?
I think you are looking beautiful and gorgeous in traditional way.
Yeah, I just have a habit of taking compliments.
సో బాగున్నది ఈవిడ ఇగో ఇక్కడున్న ఫోటోలో ఉన్న మేమే బాగున్నారు ఈవిడ బాగుందంట సో యూ రిసీవ్డ్ ఏ పాజిటివ్
What do you say thank you in Telugu?
థ్యాంక్ యూ యూ కెన్ సే థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్సో దే కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ లేదా ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ధన్యవాదాలు ధన్యవాదాలు
Dhanyavadalu.
సి ఇన్ హీరోస్ హూ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ హీరో
Allu Arjun.
అల్లు అర్జున్ దెన్ డూ దిస్ తగ్గేదేలే స్టెప్ ఆర్ డైలాగ్ झुकेगा नहीं इन हिंदी తగ్గేదేలే తగ్గేదేలే
Taggerele.
Hyderabad. Uh, and so, and hoping to receive love and support from you all. Thank you.
So now you tell us who is your favorite star or who is your favorite hero, heroine, who is your role model?
Okay, my favorite South actor is Vikram.
Oh,
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm a big fan of Vikram. And I also like Sai Pallavi.
oh.
Yeah.
Do you dance like Sai Pallavi?
I wish I could.
Okay. ఓకే అదే అందుకే రా ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకోవాలి ఐ విష్ అన్నది ఆవిడ ఓకే సో యూ వాట్ యూ లైక్ టు బీ ఇన్ లైక్ షోకేస్ ఇన్ ట్రెడిషనల్ వేర్ ఆర్ ఇన్ వెస్ట్రన్ వేర్ వాట్ ఈస్ మోర్ కంఫర్టబుల్ ఫర్ యూ టు షూట్
I personally love wearing saris, traditional way. Uh, a girl, a Indian girl looks is complete and with a bindi. I feel like that. A bindi and a sari, that's the perfect look.
Hello, everybody. A very good evening. And this is Kanika Man. First of all, I want to thank Mr. Manoj, very busy host. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you so much for making me a part of your superb calendar, which has been. Oh, it's the ninth year. So, yeah, amazing. And I want to say one thing here. I just got to know that Mr. Manoj was a journalist before. सो हमारे लिए सबके लिए कितनी प्राउड वाली बात है आप सबके लिए एक्चुअली कि वन अमंग्स यू इज डूइंग सच ग्रेट वर्क सो रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच हमें इस जर्नी में शामिल करने के लिए एंड थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी सो दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट टाइम अपीयरेंस इन हैदराबाद एंड आई एम रियली इन्जॉइंग इट मैं बाहर देख रही थी क्योंकि मैं मुंबई में काम करती हूँ उधर टेलीविजन में तो अलग माहौल होता है एंड आज मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा था नए चेहरे देखने को मिल रहे थे एंड बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर मेकिंग टाइम फॉर आस एंड आई होप कि मैं आप सबको देखती रहूँगी मिलती रहूँगी थैंक यू
actually now you tell us who is your favorite hero
आप
or
मुझे
heroine
फंसाओ मत मुझे
नहीं
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 मैं आपको बताऊंगी 6 महीने बाद
6 నెలల తర్వాత చెప్తారా ఓకే డూ యూ వాచ్ ఎనీ తెలుగు మూవీస్
आई डोंट
యూ డోంట్ ఓకే
दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट टेकिंग रिस्क नो मैं अभी कुछ बोल दूं एंड फिर वो गलत हो
okay
जाए
okay who is your best like who you admire more in Hindi also you can say any of the heroes names or heroines name
I admire रणबीर कपूर
okay okay in heroines
आलिया भट्ट
oh Alia Bhatt superb then you had not watched her movie Triple R
which one
Triple R
Triple R of course I did and I loved that film I loved it what
camera
क्या देखो ये मुझे बिजी रख रही हैं
Okay, so you tell us in which way you would like to showcase yourself in a traditional or in a western.
like both.
You like both?
Yeah. जैसी audience होती है वैसे.
Okay.
I like to.
Okay.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు మీరు అందరూ బాగున్నారా బెస్ట్ ఓకే నా పేరు రిచా జోషి సో వీఆర్ హియర్ టు హ్యావ్ ద లాంచ్ ఆఫ్ మై సౌత్ diva calendar of the 9th edition of it by Manoj Katokar garu and I've seen throughout these years that he is very dedicated and very true to his craft, and it's very beautiful moment today that I'm here, you know, invited by him to be part of this launch, and I really wish him all the best for his future endeavors. And thank you, media, for coming here. Thank you so much.
సో మీరు మా తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ అందరినీ కూడా రామ్నగర్ బన్నీ సినిమా ద్వారా కూడా అందరినీ పలకరించారు విత్ యాటిట్యూడ్ స్టార్తో యాక్ట్ చేశారు సో హౌ ఈస్ దట్ ఫీలింగ్
It was great.
Okay.
Actually, he is not an attitude star. He's a very humble and nice person. He's a very good friend to me.
ఓకే యూ టెల్ us now in which attire you want to showcase most, in a traditional or in a western?
It's always sari and half sari.
Oh.
Always. Yeah.
Who is your best favorite actor and
Ram
actress?
Charan garu.
Ram Charan garu. Can we have one dialogue of him?
No.
Or any song? Song okay kada, Prashant?
I love Rashmika also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then you sing Swami song.
I can dance.
Oh, కానీ పాట పెట్టడానికి లేదు ఇక్కడ
I can
స్వామి
only
సాంగ్
one, two,
ఓకే
three steps. That's
ప్రశాంత్ పాట పాడతావా ఓకే ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్ ఐ విష్ ఆల్ ద వెరీ గుడ్ లక్
Thank you so much. Thank you to the media. Thank you so much, Manojji, for inviting me here as a guest. And thank you so much for all the honored guests who are here. So everyone knows ee roju na movie Razakar Aha TV lo release ayindi,
OTT.
and media has shown so much love towards it that I want to take this moment and I want to thank all of you for the success of the movie, for all the good words that I've been receiving, and really thank you for taking our message to a larger audience. And it's really a beautiful calendar here, and hoping to work with you very soon, Manojji. Thank you so much, everyone.
what is the best compliment you have received from Razakar movie after acting that? What is the best compliment you remember and what the compliment you remembered?
It's not a
received?
compliment, I would say it was a gesture. I went to a Navratri event, and one lady came to me, and that was the first time that ever happened to me. A lady came and she's like, ma'am, ek autograph milega. That was such a moment, I think, for any actor. When that happens, it's very sensitive and very touching, because all the years you work hard, and when somebody finally recognizes your work and comes and says ki autograph, that was a very special moment for
So
me.
now you tell us what is your favorite wear, traditional or western?
I'll go with Indo-Western. Both I like.
Indo-Western. Super. But today your dress is too pretty and you're
Yeah,
looking too
Navneet
gorgeous.
styled me, so
Oh, super. And now tell us who is your best favorite actor and actress?
Prabhas Supremacy.
Prabhas.
Garu he's the best.
Okay.
You know, the nation has appreciated his work.
Can we have one dialogue?
Prabhas, I think we all know he's not much of a vocal person. That
Hey, there is one dialogue. ఒక్క ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తావా జీవితాంతం ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకొని చూసుకుంటా
oh my god.
ఒక్క
I
ఛాన్స్
lost weight. Okka chance istava.
జీవితాంతం
జీవితాంతం
ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకొని చూసుకుంటా
ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకు చూస్తాను.
చూసుకుంటా.
Okay, చూసుకుంటా.
ఓకే సూపర్ అండ్ హూ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ యాక్ట్రెస్?
I think I'll just go with Anushka Shetty, classic actor.
అమ్మయ్యా ఈవిడ సాయి పల్లవి గారి పేరు చెప్పలేదు ఈవెన్ దో షీఈ్ అ గ్రేట్ యాక్టర్.
Obviously, I admire her. She is the.
No,
she has
here
skills in
majority
every way.
people said Sai Pallavi name. I thought you also will say that. Yeah, but you said Anushka.
No, she is great, but Anushka Shetty is one of my favorite.
Super, super. I wish you a very, very bright future and all the very best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.